Tired of being seen, want to get away, then you should get the Wumbo Bar. It will turn you invisible, but is not limited to 3 hours. If you want to escape from school, you can. Your friends will never know that you're spying on them.
Come on, man. What's wrong with you?
Wumbo Bar.
Come on,
I'm not even paying
man.
attention to you.
What's wrong with you? Come on, man. What's wrong with you? Come on, man. I'm waiting for something to happen. Where you just standing there? What the heck? You're just standing there. Where'd he go? What a terrible person. Hate that guy. He should just leave the school. He should just like go invisible or something. My goodness. Some people. Wouldn't you agree? Then again, he's not here. Say something, man. What's your opinion on the matter? What do you think?
Get ready for
If Mitt Romney wins, I'm getting out of here. I know. I disagree with that completely.
What?
Whoa!
What the?
It's a riot.
How dare you show your face?
Satisfied customer.
What? It's a riot.
You're a red customer.
Satisfied.
Wow, I never knew my friends hated me so much.
Wumbo Bar is not liable for glowing, flaming teeth, vanishing limbs, sudden mood swings. If any of these occur, get to the nearest hospital and scream for help.
Exactly.
Escape bar. Wumbo.
Wumbo, the Great Escape Bar.
Woo! Woo!
Call 1-800-WUMBO for any concerns, or if you have the sudden urge to give us more of your money.
I want to give you my money.